How to score 11th economics? Here are some of tips. Reduced syllabus 2021 and 22. Chapter 1 to 12, 1 mark study fully. Now I am going to explain the chapter 1, Introduction to Microeconomics. In this chapter, you have to learn wealth definition of Adam Smith, welfare definition of Alfred Marshall, scarcity definition of Leonard Robinson, growth definition of Samuelson, and scope of economics, and types of utility and price and goods and services, equilibrium, cost, income, consumption, production, exchange, and also microeconomics and macroeconomics of meaning. Chapter 2, Consumption Analysis. Very short answer 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Short answer 28, 29, 30, 31, 33. Details are very important. All the questions are very important. Now I am going to explain some of hint. Human wants, characteristics of human wants, classification of goods and services, and law of demand, demand function, characteristic of demand and determinants of demand, and indifference curve. Like these headings you have to study in the chapter 2. Chapter 4, Cost and Revenue Analysis. In this chapter, short answer and details of all the questions you have to study. Very short answer 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27. And in this chapter you have to study about the prime cost, floating cost, opportunity cost, economic cost, implicit cost, and TR and AR, MR, elasticity of demand. In this chapter, very important chapter, all the 5 marks, very important compulsory question also. Chapter 6, Distribution Analysis. Very short answer 21, 22, 24, 25, 26. Short answer 29. Detail only one question. In this chapter, we have to study about the kinds of wages, theories of wages, wage fund, marginal productivity theory of wages, and interest, kinds of interest and profit. Like that we have to study about the chapter 6. Next we have to move on chapter 7, Indian economy. In this chapter, very important chapter, because in this chapter we have to study about the thinkers, Indian economy or thinkers we have to study. Growth of development, Indian economy, features of Indian economy, strength and Indian economy, weakness of Indian economy, and contribution of Indian economy thinkers like that Thiruvalluvar, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, B.R. Ambedkar, J.C. Kumarappa, V.K. Rao, Ambedkar Kumarappa Sen. Like that thinkers, what they are saying about the Indian economy, we have to study in this chapter. Chapter 8, Indian economy before and after independence. In this chapter, 5 marks are very important 5 marks. All the 5 marks. Short answer 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. And very short answer 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. And what we have to learn in this chapter means Indian economy during the British period, and land tenure system in India, Jamindari system, Mahalwari system, Ravitri system, and Green Revolution, large scale industries, small scale industries. Chapter 10, Rural Economy. In this chapter, short answer 31, 35, 36, 37, and very short answer 21, 22, 27, 28, 30. And detail only two questions you have to study, 39 and 40. In this chapter we have to study about the rural development, that means கிராமப்புறத்தில் இருக்க rural development பற்றி we have to study in this chapter. Rural industries, rural independency, features of rural independency, rural infrastructure and meaning of rural development, need for development, problems of rural economy. Chapter 12, Mathematical methods for economics. Very short answer, all the question you have to study. Short answer 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and detail 1, 2, 4. And what we have to learn in this chapter means why study mathematics? That same time in this chapter we have to study the mathematics and basic of computer, MS Word, Microsoft Office Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, basic rule of integration, application of integration, and consumer surplus, marginal cost. Like that you have to study in the chapter 12, mathematical methods of economics. How to study in economics? 1 mark study fully, 2, 3, 5 marks target and book back questions. If you study the book back question, surely you can get the good marks. Paper pattern. Part A, 1 marks. That means choose the correct answer. 21 marks there will be given. Attend the 20 questions. And part B, 2 marks. Out of 10 question will be given. Answer any 7. And part C, 3 marks. Out of 10 question will be given. Answer any 7. And part D, 5 marks. Out of 7 question will be given either a choice type. And attend the compulsory question. That means 2 marks and 3 marks they are given the compulsory question, and 2 marks 16th question and 3 marks 22 question. You have to attend the compulsory question, means surely they will give the marks. Next, move on. Paper presentation. Paper presentation means not for the handwriting, and they are expecting your answer. Answer the following by given option. That means 1 mark they are given the options, and 2 marks write only 2 points. If you're going to write the 2 mark, means you have to write the only 2 points. That's enough. I have to give a small example for the 2 marks. What is mean by economics? The word economics comes from the ancient Greek economics. The term economics means management of household. These are 2 points. You have to write the 2 marks question. 3 marks, write, elaborate and based on question. That means you have to read the question and you have to elaborate பண்ணி write பண்ணணும். Give some example and diagram. And 5 marks, write subheading, explain any 4 or 5 headings. That means if there is 10 or 6 heading, means you have to write all the headings, then you have to explain them. Any or 4 and 5 headings you have to explain. Criticism and diagram and table. If any 5 marks, if you are going to write the 5 mark, means if any diagram table, means you have to focus on the diagram table also. 3 marks, write, elaborate and based on question. That means you have to read the question and you have to elaborate பண்ணி write பண்ணணும். Give some example and diagram. And 5 marks, write subheading, explain any 4 or 5 headings. That means if there is 10 or 6 heading, means you have to write all the headings, then you have to explain them. Any or 4 and 5 headings you have to explain. Criticism and diagram and table. If any 5 marks, if you are going to write the 5 mark, means if any diagram table, means you have to focus on the diagram table also. Very important section I'm going to give, time management. 1 mark 10 minutes, 2 and 3 marks 1 hour, 5 marks 1.5 hours. 20 minutes check your answer while attending all the questions. After finishing your exam, you have to check your on the beginning to end while putting the question number and attend all the questions. Check your answer, everything